development of Surabaya is not only about the infrastructure, but also about the people. Surabaya has a population of 3.2 million and all of them are the focus of our development. Everyone participated in this. This is how we transform Surabaya into a city that empowers the will of learning and human development. Public Reading Park. We built over 1500 park where you have free access to library of books. By building this, we help people grow their reading interest. The students can also utilize them as their additional resource to help them in school. Broadband Learning Center. We set up internet-based learning center in more than 50 locations you can choose because we believe in this era you cannot not connected to the internet. You can be connected with the government with the internet. You can learn how to market your small medium enterprise product with internet. KORIDOR co-working space. We build place for people to create and collaborate on meaningful projects. Open for 24 hours, 7 days a week. From startup founders, creative communities, to developers, they are all here to collaborate. They are all here to make innovation. They are all here to share and learn together. PEJUANG MUDA program. We catalyze a youth community that share, discuss, and learn about business knowledge so they can grow together. Because sometimes, learning process is not all just about reading textbooks, but also about sharing your experience with others. Education Village. We create a habit of learning every night to make sure that the learning process never stops. Of course, it is always hard to change habits, but we have to make collaborative commitment like this so we know that changing your habit for good is also a big part of learning. Math House. We built a house where math not only being learned by students in school, but can also be discussed outside of school. By using engaging games, we want to show that math can also be fun too. By this way, we believe people finally can change their perception of math. Empowerment of children with special needs. We create meaningful activities for children with special needs, like involving them in skill learning activities based on their interests and talents, because we believe everyone can learn, as no one should be left behind. Language House. We collaborate with volunteers who want to teach more than 13 languages with no cost at all, just with the intention of the greater good. Once Surabaya has a good atmosphere for the enthusiast learners, for the people who love to challenge themselves, and for the people who always want to share their knowledge for others. And we're not doing it alone. We collaborate with many stakeholders to build Surabaya, not just for now, but for future generations so they can go to global stage.